Hello everyone, good afternoon, and this is Word of the Week, our newest show here on Top TV Global. So, syempre umpisa natin sa pagpapakilala. I'm EJ.
I'm Mayan.
And I'm Raj.
Okay, so welcome everyone to our newest show. So, every week meron tayong mga pag-uusapang issue, and for each issue, there is a corresponding keyword. So, ready?
Yeah.
Kumusta naman?
Kumusta ba?
How's been your week?
Medyo pagod.
Pagod.
Yeah, pagod sa, taping, mall shows, wow, artista.
Okay. And so, ano ba yung mga issues natin for this week? The hottest.
Sa showbiz, ang keyword ay tomboy. Of course, alam na siguro nila yan kasi
Very
super
true.
matunog yung word na yan this week. So, Charisse Pempeco admits that he or she or it is a lesbian. Pwede mo niya, di ba? He or she or it. Yeah, hindi natin ma-distinguish.
Okay.
Yeah. The singing sensation has finally come out in the open and confirmed speculations that she is sexually and romantically attracted to co-females. In an exclusive and explosive one-on-one interview with Pamilya host Boy Abunda on the bus, Charisse formally revealed her real identity and true sexual orientation na, and I quote, "Opo, tomboy po ako."
Ay, talagang diretsaan mo sila.
Yes. And Charisse confessed to the king of talk, adding that she finds no problem with being a lesbian. Hindi ko po alam kung ano yung problema ko kasi para po sa akin wala akong problema. The singer asked apology to people who don't understand her situation. Ngayon, gusto ko pong humingi ng patawad sa mga hindi po nakaintindi. Sa mga hindi po makakaunawa, sa mga hindi po ako matatanggap. Sorry po. Charisse said, naiintindihan ko po kayo, sabi niya. On the other hand, the former X Factor judge thanked those who accepted and will accept her for what she is, saying, sa lahat po ng makakatanggap, natanggap po ako, maraming salamat po. Charisse also said that she feels lighthearted after coming out. Sa ginawa kong ito, gusto ko lang sabihin na ang gaan ang pakiramdam ko ngayon na makakalabas na ako ng bahay, na wala akong itatago, na wala akong masasagasaang tao dahil wala akong tinatago. She also apologized to her mom, Raquel, and her brother, Carl. Sorry, Mommy Carl, pero ito ako. Proud ako sa sarili ko, mahal ko ang sarili ko at ang ginagawa ko. In a recent interview, Charisse's mom said she has allowed her daughter to finally confirm her real identity. As to her followers, Charisse said, sa mga fans ko naman, na alam ko madami sa inyo ang disappointed. Alam ko ang iba sa inyo tatalikuran ako, sorry. Alam niyo na sincere akong tao from the bottom of my heart. I'm so sorry na iintindihan ko kayo. Charisse clarified that she's saying sorry for hurting her family and fans' feelings and for deciding to tell the truth about her gender orientation in an unusual manner. The singer said she believes that one day there will be time that members of the LGBT community can work freely and will be given equal treatment by society. So, what can you say about that?
Wow. And she's brave enough to admit publicly that she is what she is.
Pero, may mga nagsasabi naman na parang, parang pakulo lang.
Pang-boost lang.
Correct. Kasi para daw maging matunog ulit yung pangalan niya. Kasi, very obvious naman na, di ba, before?
Wala siyang career.
Sabi nila, wala daw siyang career. Pero sabi naman niya, marami daw siyang shows sa abroad at pumili daw siya ng BMW niya.
Wow, pinagyan mo niya.
Mayaman daw siya.
But would anyone really go to that level na para lang mabuhay niya yung career niya? Do you think?
Oo naman. Di ba?
So, ikaw gagawin niya? Okay.
Para ano yung career.
Para
Hindi
bumuhay.
kasi siya in-admit niya.
Oo. Pero,
Okay.
ako, bakit ako?
Ikaw may wow niyan. Ikaw may keyword.
Ayan. So, yun nga.
Ako wala kang pakialam sa
Wow, pakils.
Sabi
She can
naman
do
niya.
whatever she wants as long as...
Pero ang dami niyang bashers. Dumami ang bashers
Yeah.
niya.
From the very beginning naman, di ba, nagpalit siya ng hair style,
Yes.
hair color, whatever. Parang papagano na yung career niya. So, wala na siyang ibang pwede pang gawin. At kung dali siguro, mga siya ng scandal. mapansin siya.
Pwede.
With regards to her admitting her being a lesbian, no big deal.
At saka, noon pa lang, nung naging pa rin siya ng hairstyle niya, ng pananamit niya, makikita na natin na lesbian siya, di ba? Tapos, parang what you see is what you get. Hindi na niya kailangan aminin. So,
Well,
yun.
Tsaka yung ginawa niya, hindi na siya kakaiba because ginawa na ni Aiza.
May iba na.
Yeah, correct.
And boy pa rin naman ang career ni Aiza. So, let's move on to our next keyword.
Our next keyword is leader. Pero meron pa siyang before the word, which is worst leader. Because recently, meron na tayong nabasa sa rankopedia.com. Isa siyang website na nag-rank ng iba't ibang mga bagay dito sa mundo. And one of the things that they posted on May 29 was the worst world leader ever. And it came as a shock na yung ating presidente mismo sa Pilipinas, si Pinoy, ay number one, top-notcher siya. Valedictorian siya sa mga world's worst leader ever. So sabi nila, according to the people who voted for him, ang comment nila ay, he's confused, incompetent, coward, biased, revengeful, putting blame on others for his and his admin's mistake, taking credit of achievements that are not his or his admin's doing. He's the most incompetent president ever. Chinese should agree with this, sabi nila.
Ang bigat.
Oo.
Mabigat, talaga.
And yung sinasabing pinuput niya yung blame sa other, napansin ko rin, lagi niyang inaano yung previous administration. Bakit hindi siya mag-focus sa ano niya, di ba?
And revengeful.
Revengeful is
I
true.
agree.
Yeah. So, ang number 2 doon, okay, ang ranking niya is 65.64. So, sa lahat ng respondents, yun ang nagbumoto sa kanya. So, ganun kadami. And, ang susunod doon sa worst world leader ever is yung kanyang nanay. Diba? So, surprisingly, bakit kaya? She led the Philippines to ruin, sabi niya. Diba? So, yung kanyang mga protege, yung pinaka-biniblame niya na presidente ay number 11 at si President ko, number 30. And si President Marcos is only number 18. So, siya yung yung top-notcher. So, marahil ito ay udyok ng mga iba-ibang bagay o pangyayari na na-mishandle niya. Like yung tourist, ano ba yun? Yung Hong Kong tourist hostage taking. Yung kawalan niya ng aksyon sa Maguindanao Massacre. Hindi umuusad ang kaso, umusta na. At syempre, yung iba pang pag-handle ng mga issues sa ating bansa.
Yung bago ngayon, yung Taiwanese.
Taiwan. Dahil yung sa sa Malaysia, di ba?
Kawawa
Talaga,
sa Taiwan, no?
doon sila talagang nagalit. Kasi, di ba, yung hindi mo kayang panitigan or ipagtanggol ang inyong sariling kapwa Pilipino.
Kasi parang pinatutuunan niya masyado ng pansin ang corruption. At
Correct.
Pagsugpo.
Yes.
Pagsugpo ng corruption.
Nangalay naman yung pagsugpo. And yung paninising nga niya dun sa past
Correct.
administration.
Yan ang napansin ko.
Na parang sinisingle out niya si PG.
Ay hindi yun nakakabuti para sa buong bansa.
Correct.
Diba? Imbis na makakamove on tayo, hindi tayo nakakamove on kasi kapag ang leader mo ay revengeful or naghahanap talaga siya ng blame sa iba, hindi sabihin, wala siyang masyadong plano sa buhay. So, eto na naman, nagkakaroon na naman ng mga political dynasty sa kanilang angkan dahil they wanted to preserve yung kanilang pagkirano.
Pag ituloy dyan sa ranking na yung political dynasty.
Oo, diba? Oo. Meron, silang dalawang magiging nandito sila. O kung kunwari na-elect na si Chris Aquino, nandito rin
May
siya,
balak ba?
nakasunod na sila.
May balak daw siya.
Yes.
Unang-una nga, balita na tatakbo siya for Vice President sa 2016. And then, lumabas yung balita na for governor naman daw.
Sa Tarlac.
Yes.
Kaya mag-aaral na daw siya in the coming days.
Ayun.
So, would you agree that our president is ranked as the worst world leader?
Well, for me, yes. Kasi, talagang hindi siya dapat nag-focus on corruption. Because there are many other problems here in the country. ay na kailangan din niya pagtuunan ng pansin. Look, until now, wala pa rin tayo nakikita konkretong proyekto niya.
Correct.
Na anong project niya for the poor, anong project niya for other problems dito sa bansa. So yun.
Ako din. Kasi compared sa ibang administrations, diba, even compared sa mommy niya, wala pa siyang masyadong nagagawa project, diba?
Pero ano, nandun naman sila pag may mga event. Kunwari, yan. Sila yung
Picture.
Jawami, totoo, sila ni Marojas, yung namatay
Kanta
si
ng
Jesse
people.
Robredo, nandun din sila, photo-ops din. Tapos, ito na naman, meron na naman daw bombing threat sa BGC ngayon, sa Bonifacio Global City. Malamang na naman, baka expect na naman daw ito ng presidente, ba?
So, at least try gumawa na account sa Instagram. Diba? Para document niya lahat ng ano.
Why not? Very soon. Okay, moving on to our next keyword. It's zeal.
Zeal as in
Yes.
Wow. I like the word.
Let's move on to a very touching story from
Very positive.
yes, from siguro the most negative story. Punta tayo sa most positive story. Kung meron kung hindi man absolute ang positive. Okay. Anyway, this is about a 64-year-old farmer in Bohol who reaches 8th grade.
Oh.
Okay, so 64 years old na siya, still nag-aral siya para pursue.
Second year high. Second year high.
Yes.
Sa Bohol?
Yes, sa Bohol. Okay, so sabi dito, from GMA News, as a farmer, Virgilio Pintacase is used to early mornings and hard work. This time, however, the 64-year-old from Tagbilaran, Bohol is getting up early for another reason, to attend junior high school.
Wow.
Yes, so he's going to move on to junior high school very soon. Ayan. So despite his age and financial hardships, Pintacase is determined to finish school as a way out of illiteracy and ignorance, according to a report on GMA News TV's Balitang Hali. Ayan.
So,
Okay.
64 years old.
Yes.
And still going to school.
Pero malakas pa naman siya.
Malakas pa naman siya.
Why not?
Pero ayun lang well anyway, sana siguro hindi naman niya nararamdaman yung parang nahihiya siya kasi yung mga klase ng mga mas bata sa kanya. Well, way.
Yung hiya na yun is na-overcome ng kanyang determination to learn and to finish his studies.
And maganda siyang inspiration.
Yes,
no?
yun yung part na nire-reinvent mo yung sarili mo from being a farmer, from being a countryside folk, di ba? Para maging isang edukadong tao na hindi natin kayang i-explain kung bakit ginawa niya yun, di ba? O ano yung motivation niya. Pero, syempre, dapat tayong matuwa. Kasi may mga ganyan pang tao na hindi sila nakukontento na gano'n na lang yung kanilang sitwasyon sa buhay. Still, they strive for better things to come. And kung sa tingin ni Manong Farmer is yun yung way niya, yung makatapos ng high school or college para ma-better niya yung kanyang buhay, why not?
Yes.
Give him a chance.
So sabi nga dito, aside from...
Dalawin natin siya.
Why
Why
not?
not?
I-feature natin siya.
Correct.
Okay, so aside from his dream na matapos ang K-12 basic education curriculum, he would also like to fulfill his dream of finishing business and commerce course.
Wow!
Grabe.
Saludo.
Okay, so ayun. So dito, napapansin ko, no, siguro may pangarap pa siyang yumaman.
Oo. Ako hindi sa yumaman, pero gusto niya makapagtapos yung personal achievement niya. Natapos ko ang kursong ganito dahil sa aking pagsisikap at hindi ako nahiya. Ibang klaseng hiya yun, ibang klaseng tigas ng bibig ang kailangan mo para pumasok, mag-enroll at tapusin yung kurso.
Yes.
Pero bilib ako sa kanya. Tibay.
At syempre, hindi pa rin nauubos yung mga talagang mabubuting loob na tao. Kasi sabi dito, in support of its oldest student, the Parent Teacher Association at Dr. Cecilia Putong National High School has provided him with school materials and even a new pair of eyeglasses.
Oh, wow!
Seriously. Oo, mga good Samaritans pa rin tayo.
Tama naman. Okay. So, syempre, hindi nung papatalo ang Pangasinan dahil nung April ay may gumraduate din dito sa Pangasinan. 80-year-old grandmother from Lingayen who graduated earlier this year with a Bachelor of Science degree in Education. Her major was Technology and Livelihood Education. Siya si Mrs. Pasencia Canayo.
Ilan taon ulit?
Pasensya nila.
Ilan taon ulit?
80!
Oh, 80. Mas matanda.
So, record breaker.
Ayan.
Pero, sana makapasa pa siya ng board exam for teachers.
Yes.
Para yung pagtutuloy niya ng pag-aaral, makuha niya yung ganyang lisensya, di ba? At least, bali mo, maging principal pa siya.
Bigla ko na konsensya. Kasi nung nag-aaral ako, parang, alam mo yun?
Gusto mo na lumayas.
Parang,
Ayaw mo na talaga.
Oo, parang papetiks-petiks ka lang kasi yung mga tao ganyan sorry.
Anyway, sabi nga ni Miss Vange kanina na siguro ay kasi sabi dito ni Mrs. Pasencia, she finished her schooling for self-fulfillment. So yun. Katulad ng sinabi ni Miss Vange kanina na siguro tinapos ni Ma'am Virgilio yung kanyang pag-aaral for self-fulfillment. Okay, ngayon naman, meron pang isa. We're down to our 2 last keywords. We have keyword sex.
Oh. Bigla na pa, oh.
Okay, so sabi naman dito, to promote gender equality, Malacanang wants a fine distinction in usage of media of the word sex, directing government agencies to lay down policies that would replace it with words that include gays and lesbians, as senior official said on Thursday. So, ibig sabihin, yung sex which refers to either male or female.
Akala ko.
Hindi yun.
Green-minded ako.
imagination.
Alright. So, Presidential Communications Operations Office Secretary Herminio Coloma said the word sex should be dropped and replaced with 4 words. 4 words, ha? 1 word should be replaced with 4 words. Mind you, 3-letter word lang to, ha? Ang gusto niya ipalit, gender and sexual orientation.
Oh my gosh!
Ang haba naman yan.
So, ilalagay mo sa form, what's your sa form mo? Gender and sexual orientation. Haba-haba. Okay, magtatanong ko, what's your
Mahirap
gender?
lang i-explain yan, no?
Oo. Diba? Anyway, gusto nila eh.
Ano ba yan? Please, padalhin niyo ang buhay ng mga Pilipino.
Oo.
Kaya na silang pahirap.
Wala na ata silang magawang law.
At saka
Kaya
marami
ito
problema
pinag-discutan
yan. Mas marami pa tayong mga mabibigat na problema.
Pero they're pushing for gender equality.
Why? Because
Bakit?
of socialist?
Uy, pwede. Kaya nila nilabas. Oo. And then meron pang recent issue about Paul Medina Jr.
Yeah.
Pinatanggal ang
Comic strip
niya. Pugat tawag sa Philippine Daily Inquirer. Philippine Daily Inquirer.
Fire.
Yes. Kasi may binalik na comic strip talking about gender na binanggit nga yung isang school sa Manila na sobrang dinideny yung pagkakaroon ng mga this is an exclusive all-girls school.
Exactly.
Na sinabi nga ni Paul na dito sa loob ng eskwela na to ay merong mga magkakarelasyon.
It happens naman talaga eh. In reality, it happens.
Ano?
This is sad part of it.
2013 na ngayon. Di ba? Di na bago yung mga ganyan.
So yun, iba-iba rin yung opinion nun. Well, anyway. So ayan, instead of sex, the PPI, it's a Philippine Press Institute, should use gender and sexual orientation. So ayan.
Wala bang judgment or yun na lang.
So nanawagan din si Coloma sa Philippine Press Institute or PPI to revise its journalist code of ethics. That said, I shall not in any manner ridicule, cast aspersion on, or degrade any person by reason of sex, creed, religious belief, political conviction, cultural, or ethnic origin.
Makakabain na rin na naman nila ito. By using the four words na,
Whatever.
yeah.
Whatever. Okay. So much for that. Meron naman last keyword. This is motto. Hindi siya motto na your motto in life. Okay. So let's talk about technology. Ito ay nakuha sa businessweek.com, the motto X Factor to catch Apple, Google needs to redefine smartphones. So ito nga, di ba, si Motorola ay binili niya nga ni Google. Okay? So ngayon, maglalabas si Motorola ng Moto X. So kinonfirm na ng CEO ng Motorola na by October, ilalabas nila ang Moto X.
Correct.
So yan. Ngayon, ito ay sinasabi the Moto X is the first smartphone of Motorola ever built in the United States.
Wow.
Ano yan? Mas affordable ba siya?
Yes, definitely.
Pero yung
Than
features,
iPhone
parehas.
No, I think it's better than iPhone 5. Yun ang piniklaim ng Moto X.
Oo, it's
Sige,
better
yun na
daw.
lang.
Wala pang inilalabas
Diba?
sa design.
Yeah.
Eh, wala pang
And
pinapagawa
ang
sa design.
keyword doon is mas mura siya.
O, di yun na lang.
Oo.
Kasi
Saka-
meron siya mga physical responses na uma-adapt sa owner. Like, kunwari, if you tell him to open your camera, or kung nabukulaan na niya na gusto mong i-open yung camera, i-open na niya yung basa. Don't have to tell him.
Wow.
Parang, okay, Siri, open my camera.
Oo. May mga ganun-ganun
In
factors.
fairness,
So,
ang ganda.
advance daw siya.
Then,
So, yun yung ipalalaban daw nila sa iPhone 5.
Okay, so ito, sabi dito, the Moto X will be contextually aware, meaning the phone will intrinsically know if it's on, in a pocket,
Yes.
on a desk, in a car, etc. So yan,
Paano nyo nalalaman?
nadedetect niya lahat ng
AI.
movement.
Ang galing ah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yan. You want that?
Of course. Itago ng phone.
Palitan ng bago.
Correct.
Ipon muna tayo.
Hindi mo na kailangan mag-ipunan yun, mas mura.
Okay. So yeah, to challenge the status quo and come up with bigger and bolder ideas, the Moto X must redefine what the smartphone is today, including decisions on what not to include. This is exactly what Apple and Samsung did during their respective growth booms. Sabi dito sa article. Apple made the bold move of sacrificing the sacred tactical keyboard, which had made BlackBerry famous, while Samsung chose to ditch its own operating system to embrace the open source operating system of Android. So, ibig sabihin, si Apple, through iPhone nga, tinanggal niya na yung keyboard, diba? So,
Yeah.
touch siya. And then, si Samsung, diba? Sumabay na rin siya sa Android.
Correct.
Sa Android world. Ayan. Kaya pagsabayan na rin siya. Na nagkaroon pa nga sila ng
Correct.
demandahan ni Apple. Well, ayan. Medyo nakakatakot nga lang ang nangyayari.
Oo.
Sa technology mo, parang hindi mo na alam kung oh my God.
Masyado pabilis.
Oo.
Correct. At
Kung
ako
bumili ka ng
nalilito.
phone mo na bago ngayon, na feeling mo
Mangingi.
siya yung top of the line. Parang bukas, kinabukasan,
Oo, hindi na siya
magsisisi ka na. Kasi may iba na
Correct.
version na better than your phone, more top of the line than whatever you purchase, especially kung yung pinag-ipunan mo. Yung
Panghihinayang.
phone mo ay pinag-ipunan mo.
Oo. At mas nakakapanginayang kung makikita mo, malalaman mo, latest siya, pero halos pareho lang sila ng price.
And may iba na.
Or mas mababa, pero latest siya.
Anyway, I think it's how life is now.
Correct. And super talino talaga natin. Di ba?
Of
Para
course.
makapag-invent tayo ng ganyan.
Well, sana lang itong mga smartphone na to ay hindi maging smarter than human beings.
Dahil
I
nakakatakot
think they are at some point.
At some point.
At some point they are.
Pero still, tayo rin yung nagkakontrol.
Parang mawawala ka na ng silbi. Di ba?
Sana no, disappoint ka tayo.
Hindi naman.
Di ba? Parang lahat na lang pwedeng i-access sa computer, sa Ganyan talaga ang buhay.
Well, pero masarap ang harapin itong phone.
Correct.
Abangan natin. Okay. So, to our dear viewers, those have been our keywords for this week's word of the week. So, ulitin
I
natin.
would like to,
words
to
natin.
greet Louie pala.
Mhm.
Ayan.
Absent
Yes,
siya
yes.
ngayon. So, we miss you here. Get well soon.
Pagaling ka, hinihintay ka ni baby.
Oo. Magpagaling ka pa. May space ka pa dito.
Okay. So, dito na yung keywords natin. We have tomboy. This is about Charisse Nagteng.
Bawal na yan.
Admitting that she is lesbian. Leader, talking about Pinoy as the worst world leader ever. And then Zeal, ito yung kay Mang Virgilio, 64-year-old man who graduated na mag-move on sa junior high. And then sex, ay drop na lang yung word na sex. So ipapalit ang gender and sexual orientation. And then motto. Motto
X.
about Moto X.
Moto X.
na ito-challenge ang iPhone and mga iba pang smartphone ng Samsung. Okay, so what's your keyword? What's your word of the week?
Ako, gusto ko yung leader. Kasi super bigat ng ano, diba? Parang, hindi lang sa kanya nakakahiya, I mean, buong Pilipinas nakakahiya tayo dahil doon. So yun.
How about you, French? Your word of the
Zeal.
week?
Zeal. Gusto ko yung zeal. I want inspiring stories. I want feel-good stories. And I want yung mga personal triumphs ng tao. Na yun yung mag-brought up sa media. Yung mga kakaibang story na you feel good after you read it or after you watch it or after you hear it.
Yeah, ako rin, I'll go for zeal. Kasi, syempre nakaka-touch, very touching yung story. Syempre, inaano rin natin dito na sana yung iba rin natin kababayan, ganito rin yung pag-iisip, yung mindset na kailangan makatapos ako ng pag-aaral because I want to achieve something for myself. Na in the future, pag nagkaroon na ako ng anak, ganito rin yung magiging mindset. Yan. Pasama sana. Okay, so to our dear viewers, you can also participate with us. You can either agree or disagree with our word of the week. So our word of the week is zeal. Okay, so ulitin ko, it's about the 64-year-old man na move on to
Farmer.
Farmer siya. Ayan. So you can either agree or disagree. If you disagree, click on other keywords na tingin niyo ay dapat nating ipalit sa ating word of the week. So with that, thank you very much. I'm EJ.
I am Mayan, and you can follow me on Twitter at Mayan_Garcia. That's MAIAN_Garcia. And yung lookbook ko din. Yun din.
Oh, lookbook.
Yeah, lookbook.com/Maya_Garcia.
Check na yan. And I'm Blanche Padilla. Follow me on Twitter. I'm Blanche Padilla.
Okay, and you may also like us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/TalkTVG. And you may also tweet us on at Talk TV Global. Okay, yeah. So, tweet na kayo. And, syempre, follow me on Twitter at ejong_7. That's EJONG_7. Ayan.
And abangan nila yung mga susunod na episodes ng Lifestyle and Beauty. At ang
Travel.com and syempre,
Cook and Talk TV.
ayan. Pakaabangan ninyo ang mga susunod naming episode. And of course, syempre, magbabalik kami dito sa Word of the Week next week. So, see you guys. And bye-bye.